Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubel Solutions. This is the question answer series of class 5 chapter 5. If you want the full chapter, then please go to the playlist section of class 5 series. Class 5 lesson 5 is working with the objects. Let's go directly to the back question and answer series. Here is the full chapter and it is explained in the other video which will be shown in the description box. Train the brain. Section A. Fill in the blanks. Dash are the punctuation, spacing or typographic character. Answer is symbols. To apply 3D effect to an object in the writer, use the dash button. On and off. Lines, basic shapes, block arrows are the options of dash toolbar, drawing toolbar. The dash features allows to create special text effects. Font work. A dash is a placeholder where text can be entered. Text box. State true or false. The area icon is used for coloring a drawing object. True. The drawing toolbar is present right below the menu bar. False. It is near the status bar, I think so. तो status bar तो नीचे होता है. Text cannot be formatted within the text box. False. We can display the drawing toolbar by clicking on the insert toolbar's drawing options. True. Arushi wants to write a poem on rain in the Word document. She wants to apply decorative text effects to every single line. Suggest her the option to apply the special text effect. The answer is Font Work Gallery. The teacher has asked Varun to make a banner for school fete. Which feature should be used to add ready-made pictures? The answer is LibreOffice Gallery. Multiple choice question. Which features allows you to insert graphics into a document? Gallery. When you insert a drawing object, the dash toolbar appears right below the standard toolbar, Drawing. While dragging the image, hold down the dash key to maintain the height and width ratio of a shape. Shift. The font work button is present on dash toolbar. Drawing. What is the use of font work feature? Font work gallery allows you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Using font work feature, you can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, etc. What is a text box? How will you resize text box? A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. You can use text box to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. You can resize the text box by dragging its handles. Describe the shape features in LibreOffice Writer. Shape tool allows to insert ready-made shapes directly to a document. What are the symbols? Symbols and special characters are punctuation, spacing, or typographical characters that are generally not available on standard keyboard. Name any 4 options available on drawing toolbar. That is flowcharts, text, font work gallery, symbol and shapes. I hope this question and answer series back questions will be helping you parents and students. Thank you for all the support you are giving. Love. Have a nice day. Have a safe journey in your life. Be positive. Stay kind. Please everyone. Be happy.